It's time to review all the fruits that we have learned so far. That way, we don't forget what we have learned as we progress. Let's do it! An apple. 一个苹果。一个苹果。A banana. 一条香蕉。一条香蕉。Some grapes. 一些葡萄。一些葡萄。Some watermelon. 一些西瓜。一些西瓜。An orange. 一个橙子。一个橙子。A peach. 一个桃子。一个桃子。Some strawberries. 一些草莓。一些草莓。Some cantaloupe. 一些哈密瓜。一些哈密瓜。Some honeydew melon. 一些香瓜。一些香瓜。A mango. 一个芒果。一个芒果。A pear. 一个梨子。一个梨子。Now let's try to say them all together. From apple, banana, grapes, watermelon, all the way to a pear. You've got this. Let's go. 一个苹果。一条香蕉。一些葡萄。一些西瓜。一个橙子。一个桃子。一些草莓。一些哈密瓜。一些香瓜。一个芒果。一个梨子。You did it! Well done! I'm so proud of you. You make it this far. Please practice a few times after class. In the next class, we're going to review how to express I'm hungry and I'm starving, things like that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate your support. See you next time.